Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Peel back the tape that secures the SD card reader ribbon cable to the corner of the system board. Push up the locking bar on the ZIF connector of the SD card reader ribbon cable and disconnect the ribbon cable from the system board. Gently lift the SD card reader ribbon cable to detach it from the adhesive securing it to the top cover. Detach the RTC battery from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the two P00 Phillips head screws that secure the SD card reader to the top cover. Lift the SD card reader off of its alignment pins and remove with the RTC battery still attached. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new SD card reader, disconnect the SD card reader ribbon cable and RTC battery from the old SD card reader and connect them to the new SD card reader. Place the SD card reader onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two P00 Phillips head screws that secure the SD card reader to the top cover. Sit the RTC battery into its cradle and press down firmly to adhere it to the top cover. Connect the SD card ribbon cable to its ZIF connector on the system board. Press on the SD card ribbon cable to reattach the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Push down the strip of tape that secures the SD card reader to the corner of the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.